very professional and all of that, and they can directly hire you. So that is a shortcut for them as well, and it becomes very easy for them to have very efficient people to their in their team.
Hello everyone. In the first episode of our series, LinkedIn and Law Students, we shared with you how important LinkedIn in today's day and age for advancing your career. In today's episode, we'll be talking about how you can efficiently manage your LinkedIn profile to grab more opportunities.
That's great. Can we have our next slide?
Sure. So next is profile optimization. This is by far the most important thing. The moment you create an account, you don't have to leave it as it is. So I will tell you a couple of things of how you can optimize your profile, and then we'll see some profiles as well as an example that how exactly those things should be. So the first thing is the professional picture, right? So you should have a very professional picture, and you should not, maybe you are on a trip and you click one picture, that would not work as a LinkedIn profile picture, right? So let me show you my profile picture. Some looks like this. So this is the profile picture. I'll show you a couple of examples of how your LinkedIn profile should look like.
Look like. Yes.
Great. So can
Very
you see how professional this person looks?
Yes.
And she's also senior counsel, and look how confident she is looking. Just by seeing her profile picture, you can identify that she's a very senior professional.
Yes, definitely.
So
Okay.
that thing should be visible through your LinkedIn profile. Then you can also have something like this. Your face should be visible appropriately. Maybe 80% of the picture should have your face, and you should be smiling at all times. Then look at this. How
Perfect.
confident she looks in her profile picture.
Definitely. Very decent one, very charming at the same time.
Yes, and you don't need a fancy background, just a white wall, just stand against that, and you don't need a DSLR as well. You can click it through your phone and just it's good to go. So this is about the profile picture. So the next thing is a clear headline. Cool. So the headline is this. Now, whenever a person visits your profile, just by looking at your headline, they should know that what exactly do you do. They should not scroll down and check कि ये बंदा क्या करता है. तो just इससे बहुत ज़्यादा clarity मिल जानी चाहिए. So just by reading this, you understand that I am a person who drafts legal contracts, right? So this is one example and one format where you can use, I help, then your target audience. My target audience is business owners, startup founders, and everyone. So I help, then your target audience, and through what? Maybe if you are a content creator, you help law firms create content for their website. So one example can be, I help law firms maybe write their content for their law websites. So one example, so it has to be very simple. You don't have to include a lot of complex words. Just, as simple as this.
So basically, it should be very clear cut at what exactly you are looking for, what exactly you are doing in the last, something your experience. Yes.
Yes. Now read this headline. Now she tells you that, she writes content for LinkedIn.
Okay.
Right. So I help you attract and convert clients through power writing. So she'll help you with writing for your LinkedIn. And she is ranked then, an authority kind of a thing that she's saying, that ranked number 37 LinkedIn creator in the world.
Number 1 women for personal brand.
Yes. Now, how powerful is this? If you are a lawyer, maybe, or any professional, you're looking for someone who can write content for you. You're looking to outsource it. So why not hire her, right? She's given a proof of why you should hire her here itself.
Perfect.
Right? And another example Can be this, as simple as this. Digital
Digital
marketing consultant and trainer, LinkedIn personal branding strategist, content marketer, blogger, co-founder, everything.
founder. And
So
the way this person used the profile picture is also really great.
yes,
Very authentic.
yes,
Yeah, that's a decent thing. And
right.
what? Yes, got it.
Tell me.
So I also wanted to ask one thing, that what is the need of this about the hashtag written it down? Just we talk about has LinkedIn, has content, right? What is this?
So if you write something, search here, this person would, pop up here itself on the first, or on the first page. If
Okay.
so, these are the hashtags. Basically, these are the keywords for which he wants to rank his profile.
Okay, basically a kind of SEO, the way you
Yes.
use in Google, right? Okay, cool. Fine.
So next is the summary section. Now this is somewhat difficult to write, and a lot of people procrastinate, and I also, procrastinate. Let me show you a very good example of how your summary should be. So summary is this section, your about section.
About.
Cool. So if you see her about section, she has written a very big, it is not necessary that you write a very big about section, but then see the depth where she has gone. She's introduced that what is her name, she's the founder of this particular thing, and what does that company do. She's also written that. Then she says that what does she do exactly. She's a marketing expert. Then
So-
maybe she is just saying that she has maybe what type of clients does she cater to. Then she's telling you the process of how she works. Maybe she goes into step-by-step identification, and then she's given this very interesting way of presenting her information.
Okay. So I have one question, Lipi, if you will allow me, that these are those people जिन्होंने लाइफ में अच्छा खासा काम कर रखा है. Now they have so many things to written down in their LinkedIn profile. But जो first year law student है, तो how they have to write something in about themselves? उनके लिए क्या tips हैं?
Cool. So for a person who is entering into first year, so my advice for them would be to just write, maybe for example, मेरा नाम XYZ है and I am a person of this particular year in this college. Start with this. Then you write about that what exactly are you interested in. Maybe हर किसी का aim होता है. For example, if I entered in my first year, I entered with the name of cracking judiciary. So उस time whatever your aim is, just write that. And what type of people do you want to connect with, and why are you here? So these particular things you should write in your LinkedIn profile being a first year student, and then maybe a couple of achievements from your school that you were interested in. Suppose you play tennis or you are good at art. So maybe write something about it, that I'm interested in these things as well. Because, for example, a client or an HR of a law firm visits your profile, and suppose he is also interested in tennis or art. That is kind of a point where you can start the conversation with them.
Yes.
Because that is mutual between both of you. So when you are in first year, you should write about that. Then by the time you enter into second year, you might have a couple of internships, maybe 1 or 2 internships. So maybe write about them, that what exactly did you do in those internships. That I interned previously at Project 39 of NLU Delhi.
Yes.
Right? The Project 39A internship that they have. And then you write that why did you take up that internship and what all did you do. So maybe pointers of what did you do. So that could help you batch the next internship.
Yes, got it. So basically what I conclude from your insight that अगर आप जैसे जैसे आपकी प्रोफाइल बिल्डअप हो जाती है, you have to बार-बार आपको LinkedIn को भी अपडेट करते रहना.
Yes, so every 6 months, I suggest every 6 months you update your LinkedIn. अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा हुआ है, ना हुआ हो, but I believe कि एक चीज तो पक्का ऐसी हुई होगी कि at least you can maybe improvise on your language only. So
Perfect.
that's the thing about summary section. And don't forget to maybe add your email ID here. So she has written, message me marketing and I help you get more clients. But you can always add um, your
Your email
link,
ID.
email ID. Yes.
Yes.
So I can also show you my about section. So it looks like this.
It's quite lengthy,
Yes.
but detailing.
But it is all about contracts,
Contract.
nothing else. कि बुरे contracts में क्या होता है and then अच्छे contracts में
उसमें
क्या
क्या
होता
होता है
है,
बेसिकली
right?
जिस जॉनर से हमें उसके बारे में पूरी तरह से बता रहे हैं कि what I did and what I wanted to further.
Yes. And then maybe if you have pursued any course or anything, you can write about that. Or if you have any experience to share, you can also write that. So that is about the LinkedIn summary section.
Perfect.
Cool. Then comes the cover picture.
Cover.
Cool. So cover picture is this. So you should not leave it blank at the first place. A lot of people do not have this cover
Cover
picture.
picture.
Honestly, कुछ भी नहीं लगता. Just go to Canva. It is free to use. They have a lot of templates. I can show you.
Just LinkedIn template cover picture.
Yes, you can just write LinkedIn.
LinkedIn cover.
LinkedIn. They call it banner. So
Yeah.
you have a lot of templates here. Just click on that. Maybe just if you are not good at designing, कुछ नहीं करना, सिर्फ अपनी details edit कर दो कि क्या
Yes.
करते हो, right? Just that, nothing else. It's that easy. Download and update there. It
As
won't
simple as
do anything. ये मैंने ऐसे ही किया,
that.
right?
Or
So
it-
just
a cover does be very simple, right? Very simple.
yes, very simple. It should include that what exactly are you doing. So my cover picture says that I help businesses reduce legal contract problems and I help them with contract review, contract analysis, and contract drafting. And then my email ID, nothing else.
Yes.
Right? So a lot of people have quotes here.
Hmm.
They write quotes. Now
Yes.
that does not make sense. So be very simple. First year law student ho, तो maybe write that what exactly are you interested in. Law student ho, write that. And maybe email ID, or maybe you can also write looking for internships in this particular field. Nothing
Yes. But that's something जो मैं अभी हाल में देख रहा हूँ लोग कवर लेटर में लिखे looking for internship अपना फोटो and email ID and contact. Simple.
Yes. So this is about the cover picture. Then we come to experience section. Wait, I can show you a couple of more examples of cover pictures.
Helping me say startup with marketing bits.
Yes. So as simple as this. Nothing complicated, just her phone number and her email ID. Another example can be
Yes. Founder of Lossico. Yes.
See,
We are building an army of freelancers.
army of freelancers to disrupt a $300 billion legal market.
Very simple, very decent, very
Yes,
clear.
so people like me who are looking, who is a freelancer and looking for opportunities will definitely reach out to them.
Definitely.
So this has a mention here as well
Hmm.
in the headline and then in the cover picture as well.
आप अपने अबाउट वहाँ पर अपने कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट जो आपने किया है कुछ अचीवमेंट है वो भी आप थोड़ा सा लिख सकते हैं कि आपको क्या लिखना होगा.
Yes, you can add that if you have anything.
Perfect.
Next is the experience section. Cool. So I'll show you my experience section first. It's not optimized very honestly. So experience section is this one. Wait, I will show you.
क्या क्या काम कर रहे हैं.
तो अब मैंने इंटर्नशिप तो लिख दी कि मैं यहाँ XYZ जगह इंटर्नशिप कर रही हूँ, but what exactly did I do there? So this
Yeah.
has to be mentioned just like your resume. जैसे आप अपने CV में लिखते हो, इधर भी वैसे ही लिखना है.
वेरी
then-
क्लियर वेरी स्पेसिफिक आपने क्या किया एग्जैक्ट.
Just pointers like this.
रिसर्च एंड कंपाइल.
Yes.
अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर के हैं तो अगर कुछ भी नहीं है तो नॉर्मल जो डिबेटिंग कुछ भी स्किल होगा नॉर्मल कुछ भी रखे नहीं है तो कोई परेशानी की भी बात नहीं है कि वो धीरे धीरे बन जाएगा ग्रो हो जाएगा.
तो एक्सपीरियंस सेक्शन विल कम विद टाइम यार.
हाँ.
इट वोंट कम पहले दिन से तो एक्सपीरियंस सेक्शन बिल्ड नहीं
नहीं.
होता. इट्स फाइन इफ यू कैन लीव इट लाइक दैट ओनली. यू कैन लीव इट ब्लैंक and as soon as you badge an internship or something like that, just write it here.
or that cover letter will really work looking for internship.
Hmm.
That cover letter.
One other example for experience section. See, so she has written that what exactly she has done. She has worked on a case analysis. She has drafted non-disclosure agreements, a couple of policies. Then she has worked on pitch deck as well. Might be, if some investor wants to reach out to her or any company wants to reach out to her, they can. Then she also worked as a LinkedIn strategist for them. Do you understand? So
Yeah.
you be very explanatory here of what exactly did you do.
It should be something on the similar from the CV. जैसे आप CV में explain कर रहे हैं कि आपने क्या किया तो LinkedIn पर भी उस सुविधा भी की अपडेट करते रहिए.
Yes,
Right.
exactly.
और मेरे को एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन आया था लिपि कि बच्चे कहते हैं कि आने वाले टाइम में क्या सिर्फ लिंक्डइन का क्यूआर कोड डालने से हमारी सीवी चेक हो जाएगी इन द अपकमिंग फ्यू डेज इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक दैट कि लोग अब सीवी को हमें सीवी ड्राफ्ट नहीं करने होंगे बस हमारा लिंक्डइन ही हमारी सीवी कैसा हुआ है.
Yes. तो ये तो बहुत बार होता है. So I'll give you an example. ये इधर से you go here, you click on more, you save it to PDF.
Okay from one and save document.
Yes. Look at this.
This is your CV.
Why do you want to create a CV in the first place? Everything.
That's the thing. At first I was going to ऐसा कर सकते हैं. That's something which I wanted to, so yes we can definitely do it and आपने दिखा भी दिया how to do it. Just
So
save it.
this looks very professional. This does not have a lot of complicated stuff. So मतलब I think it has your email ID, it has your LinkedIn profile, सब कुछ है इसमें.
Yes. Great.
So this can be useful.
What we have in the next slide, I'm really curious to see this.
Cool. So next we have is education.
Yes.
Education, of course, this all of you will have.
Yes, कहाँ से आपने 10th
कौन
किया
से कॉलेज
12th
में हो, कहाँ से schooling किया है, just that. So just update it. Nothing. It will take you nothing here. This is the simplest section.
Yes.
We hope you enjoyed the second part of our series, LinkedIn and Law Students. The next video is also coming soon. So stay tuned and share this video with your friends. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to Flamestat for more such videos.